Good morning for this Thursday, March 28th, and I want to update you on the Goldman Sachs trade that we've had going on here just for a couple days here. As you recall, we're long here at 147.30 as it took out this high, 147.30. Okay, our initial stop loss was down in here at 144.48. Now the market's just opened about 15 minutes ago. As you can see, the market has rallied up through the last 3 days high. Yesterday, the 27th, Tuesday, the 26th, and then the 25th on Monday, okay? So we took out all these highs, okay? I'm going to go ahead now and move my stop up to below yesterday's low, okay? So I'll tell you exactly what that number is. Yesterday's low is 145.86, so 20 cents below that is 145.66. So again, the initial stop was sitting right here at 144.48, so we've moved it up to 145.66. So we've moved it up by a point 20, $1.20 roughly. Okay. Now again, I think that the rally up through not only yesterday's high, but the prior 2 days highs is kind of significant. Now, if today reverses and takes out yesterday's low, I don't want to be there anymore. Now think of that. Think, if the market's able to come down today and takes out yesterday's low, then what we've created is that engulfing pattern, right? We've already taken out yesterday's high, see? If the market reverses today and takes out yesterday's low, we'll have that engulfing pattern where the high took out the prior bar's high and the low took out the prior bar's low. I won't want to be there anymore. So what I've done is I've been able to minimize my risk even further by about almost $1.20 on this trade. Okay, now again, you know, we're getting close to that 50 exponential, and I am aware that the market has started to break down through the 50 exponential moving average. Even though the overall trend is still up, I'm still a little cautious because we have traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars completely below that 50 exponential. So I'm very aware that the market's been trading below that 50 exponential for 1, 2, 3, 4, going on the 5th day now. So even though the trend is overall up, I am minimizing this risk even further by placing that stop below yesterday's low now. But because again, if the market reverses and takes out yesterday's low, we'll have that engulfing pattern, which is a negative. Okay, so let's see, what else do we have going on here? Let's take a look at the daily E-Minis. Okay, today the market has opened up and rallied up through the highs of this year. Remember, this is all of this year, right? This is where it opened up. Let's see. This is where it opened up this year, right in here. This market's been up this year. This was the high. We took it out marginally here, took it out marginally here. Today opened up. We actually made a new high. Okay, marginal. Took it out by, I think, by 1 full point. The high is what, 59.5. It was 58 3/4. So we took it by 3/4 of a point today. So today will be interesting. It will be an interesting day today. Again, if the market is able to come down, if today is able to trade down through yesterday's low 1545 3/4, then I would consider that somewhat significant because again we would create an engulfing pattern. Right, taking out the prior bar's high. So not only taking out the prior bar's high, but taking out the yearly high right in here. If we reverse down through the low, you could sell that for sure. Okay, whether an intraday play or trying to make it a potential swing trade to the downside. But I'll let you know if that happens, and I will tell you exactly what I'm doing. But I'll tell you this. Since I am here all day and I do day trade, I am definitely looking for 1545 3/4. If that is broken to the downside, I would be a seller. Okay. not only for a day trade, but potentially turning it into a swing trade to the downside, okay? So I hope that helps. I will be back with you tomorrow. I believe tomorrow is Good Friday. I probably will put together a quick video tomorrow morning as well. So again, today, what do we talk about? Let's talk, we went through, okay, we're talking about Goldman Sachs a little bit, okay? Been long this market a little bit, 147.30. Initial stop loss was right here. We've moved it up to 145.66, which is 20 cents below yesterday's low. All right, so we're protected there. And again, what's our risk on that? If we're long at 147.30 and we're stopping ourselves out at 145.66, 46.37, so we're risking less than 2 full points on this trade, which is not bad. The upside potential is much greater than the downside. So we're going to be patient, and we've got our stops in place, and that's all you can do. Let's sit, wait, and let's have a profitable day. Have a great day. Bye for now.